Hi, this is Jamie with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, and I've got another Tip Tuesday for you. Today we're going to be talking about the twin needle. It's a really goofy little needle. Not a lot of people know what it's used for. It's got a couple really cool applications actually. You can use it to make pintucks, which adds a really cool texture to garments. A lot of people put it down the front of shirts. You can really put them wherever. You also can use it to hem garments to kind of mimic a cover stitch if you don't have a cover stitch machine. If you do that, be careful. It's not going to stretch like a cover stitch, but it still gives you that same kind of double stitch look. So what I'm going to show you today is doing a pin tuck with it, because Pfaff actually has some really cool tools for it. You can do it on any machine, but Pfaff has got a really cool one I want to show you. So I'm going to start by just changing out the needle. This one just goes in like a normal needle, flat to the back. And then I've got a normal presser foot on there. I'm going to go ahead and put on the pin tuck presser foot. All this foot is it's got grooves in the bottom, so that way you can line up your pin tucks with each other in whatever spacing it is you're looking to do. So I'm going to pop that one on. Now I'm going to thread my machine like normal, but it's going to be 2 threads. One's going to go in each eye of the needle. So I'm going to thread one. Can't use my needle threader with these. Alright, that's one. And a lot of machines come with 2 spool holders, and a lot of people don't know why. So this is wise, because you can do a twin needle with it. Alright, thread it through the same thread path. It will not hurt your machine, I promise. Alright, and just like that, I've got them both threaded. Now Pfaff also has these awesome little attachments. Looks like a little T. There's 2 holes on the needle plate right next to the feed dogs. I'm going to go ahead and pop it there, and that's just going to add something for my pin tuck to ride on, so it has a little bit more texture. On regular machines, if you elongate your stitch, or you can put a cord through it or things like that to get the same effect, but Pfaff just makes it a little easier. So now, all I'm going to do, I've got a piece of cotton. I'm going to put that under the machine. It's telling me my IDT's not on. Alright, and just like that, I've got a beautiful pin tuck on my fabric.